Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about how to fix Android phone frozen screen. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My Android phone has a frozen screen for some reason. I have never unlocked the bootloader or modified the OS in any way. Here's what happened. About 2 weeks ago, my phone occasionally freezes and becomes unresponsive, like an Android phone is frozen. Does anyone know about the Android phone is frozen problem? I want to see if anyone has encountered this problem. How do you fix a frozen Android phone? We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When Android phone is freezing occurs, no need to panic. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the green screen problem to turn the device back on. Cause 1. Low battery. The solution is to plug in a charger. If the Android phone freezes up problem occurs, it may be caused by low battery. Therefore, plug your Android phone into a power source and wait for a few minutes or longer, such as an hour. To ensure normal charging, be sure to charge with an official charging cable and charger, and clean the debris on the charging port, if any. Finally, use the phone normally to see if the problem fixes Android phone freezing. Cause 2. Insufficient phone capacity. The solution is to clean up storage space. Insufficient storage space may cause Android phone is frozen and won't do anything. So checking the storage space is a necessary troubleshooting method, but the premise is that your phone can enter the settings normally. If not, please try the next method directly. Please open the phone settings, find and click storage in the phone settings, and check whether your space is less than 15% or less in the storage interface. If so, free up storage space or delete unnecessary files or upload some files to the cloud. After that, please restart the Android device to check whether the Android phone screen freezes problem is solved. Cause 3. Temporary glitch. The solution is to force restart the phone. If the above two methods do not work, the Android phone completely frozen problem may be caused by some temporary glitch. One of the best ways to eliminate temporary glitch is to force restart frozen Android phone. Don't worry, force restart will not damage or delete any data stored on the phone. To let you know how force restart works, let's take a look at this simple process. To force restart a Samsung Galaxy, Oppo or Vivo phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the button. To force restart a Google Pixel smartphone, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the button. To force restart a Huawei, OnePlus or Xiaomi, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the button. To force restart a phone with a removable battery, just pull out the back cover, take out the battery, wait for a while, put it back and press the power button to boot the phone, wait for the reboot to complete. The Android phone freezing issue should be gone, and the device will function normally. Cause 4. App malfunction. The solution is to enter safe mode. When the forced restart still doesn't work, it means that it is not a temporary malfunction that causes Android phone keeps freezing. Now it is time to turn your attention to the app. When the app is malfunctioning or incompatible, it may also cause Android phone is frozen on lock screen. The best way to find out if it is caused by the app is to boot the phone into safe mode. Safe mode disables all third-party apps, so if the problem disappears in safe mode, it means that the problem is caused by a third-party app. Next, please join me in trying to boot your Android phone into safe mode. Turn off your Android phone. Press and hold the power button and the volume up button until you see recovery mode. In the options given in the menu, use the volume button and the power button to select safe mode. Then, your Android phone will boot into safe mode. If the safe mode message is displayed at the bottom of the screen and the Android phone works normally in safe mode, then the Android phone frozen won't start is caused by the app. To solve the green screen problem, find the app that causes the Android phone screen to freeze and delete it. Once done, hold down the power button and tap restart to reboot your phone back to normal mode. Once the reboot is complete, check to see if your Android phone now appears normal. Cause 5. Under attack. The solution is to reset the device. If nothing works, your only option may be to factory reset your phone. This step is the last resort as it will completely wipe the data on your phone to fix a frozen screen on Android phone issue. So before resetting your device, don't forget to back up all your important files and documents. If you are unable to back up your data, it is recommended that you take your phone to the nearest official after-sales service center to see if they have any suggestions. Let your Android phone shut down. Use a cord to connect the device to a Windows laptop or desktop. Now, press some buttons to enter recovery mode, in which you can perform a reset without the disturbance of any random reboots. In a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe data, factory reset option and use the power button to select it. Then, choose yes to trigger the reset process. In a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode and use the power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press power button plus volume up button. Then, use volume buttons and power button to select wipe data, factory reset option to trigger the reset process. In a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe data, factory reset option and use the power button to select it. Next, select yes to trigger the reset process. Wait for the reset to complete. Reset your Android settings and check during the process if the Android frozen screen issue still occurs. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix an Android phone is freezing, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.